Welcome to Foodili. Today, we're making a delicious homemade pizza. Let's start by preparing the dough. First, gather 660 grams of lukewarm water. Dissolve 15 grams of yeast into the water. Next, add 30 grams of sugar to the yeast mixture. Allow the mixture to rest for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. For the dough, we need 990 grams of white flour. Combine the flour with 15 grams of olive oil, 15 grams of butter, and 21 grams of salt. Mix the yeast mixture with the flour to form the dough. Coat the dough with a bit of olive oil. Cover the dough with cellophane and a cloth and let it rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, slice 2 sausages into rings for topping. Cut 4 to 5 mushrooms into slices. Sauté the mushrooms with a dash of paprika, thyme, and black pepper. After resting, knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes on a floured surface. Oil the pizza mold before spreading the dough in it. Apply a layer of ketchup on the dough. Sprinkle cheese over the ketchup. Add the sliced sausage rings. Top with the seasoned mushrooms. Finish with another layer of cheese and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Bake the pizza for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and crispy. Your delicious homemade pizza is ready. Join the Foodili family for exclusive recipes and tips. Like and subscribe now. Explore unique, easy-to-follow recipes and expert cooking tips at Foodili.com. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.